Alright, hey guys, so for today I'm going to be doing mini twists on my hair. I've been really lazy with my hair for a good month and I just need to do something so that I don't damage it. So yeah, so I'm going to do mini twists, and this video was just kind of spontaneous, which is why it's just kind of random. In this video it looks a little bit dark because I don't have my lights on, and I'm also in my living room and not in my bedroom like I usually am. So just bear with this entire video. But I figured I would record it since I've never done this type of video before. So yeah, so all I'm going to be using, I'm trying to do this as quickly as I can. So I just have a spray bottle with water, my Natural Club leave-in conditioner. I'm using this, I don't know the brand, but I'll try to find it and leave it below. But it's basically like a shea butter with a bunch of other stuff in it. It's all natural. If y'all hear any commotion in the background, it's my dog. And then I'm going to just oil my scalp when I'm done with this Essential 17 hair growth oil from Alikay Naturals. I'm not really going to section my hair off properly. He sees somebody outside and he's trying to talk to them. But anyway, I'm not really going to section off my hair. So I just have this comb basically just to make my part in the front, but that's it. I'm just going to section with my fingers, and then I'm just going to use these little scrunchies to section them off. Hamlin! And then I'm going to also use my Tangle Teezer just to brush through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create my part in the front. So I'm going to have like a little side part over here. Then I'm just going to section off. I'm just going to start making my rows and then throw the rest in another scrunchie. Okay, so with this bottom section, I'm just going to spray it with some water. So now I'm going to use the leave-in. I don't want to use too much, so I'm just using that little dot. And then I'm going to go in with this butter. This butter is really like hard, so you gotta soften it in your hands. Okay, now I'm literally just gonna start twisting. So I'm just gonna grab a piece. Again, not using a comb or anything. And actually, before I do that, I'm just going to run my Tangle Teezer through there, so then I have to do it while I'm twisting. Now I'm really just gonna go across and do twists. I only plan on keeping this style for not even a week, because next week I am getting a sew-in actually, for the first time in like 4 years. So I won't have these in that long, but I still want something until then. And I plan on recording both the sewing as well as how I'm going to prep my hair. So I'm going to show you kind of like my wash day. And then I'm also going to show you guys trimming my ends, because my ends need to be trimmed. So yeah, so I'm just going through as quickly as I can. I don't want to be doing this at all. And I'm just twirling the ends around my fingers. I'm not even going close all the way to the bottom. I'm trying to keep them like the same size so that it doesn't look too slumpy. So I'm gonna stop talking so I can just kind of speed through these clips when I edit. And I'm just going to turn on some Netflix. Kalani dropped this new EP today. Yeah, I probably can't even see that. But it's the While We Wait EP. So I've been listening to that. I haven't gotten through the whole thing yet. I'm on this song with Black on it. So it has 2 more songs left after this one. But yeah, I'm probably just going to turn on the to get my way through my hair. So I will just leave the camera running while I continue to twist. So I have this last section, and it has been 2 hours and 10 minutes. Basically do all of this. So this last section, it's 2 o'clock. So hopefully this last section takes me about 30 minutes max, and then I'll be done. Alright, so it's really dark, but I just finished, and that took me a total of 3 hours, like exactly, to do my whole head. And I think they look pretty good. I'll come back on camera with my lighting and whatnot to actually show you probably another day. But yeah, it took me about 3 hours, and yeah, so I will be back once I look more presentable. Alrighty, so this is my hair 2 days later, and I actually really like my hair, surprisingly. I usually don't really like my hair like this because I just look really young. I look really young kind of regardless, but I feel like a total child with this hair because I used to wear my hair like this all the time when I was like in elementary school. But I actually do really like them. I like the size of them, and it kind of just gives me some versatility because I'm able to kind of style it in different ways. So today I just have them in these 2 little space buns, and yeah, I actually really like it. This is how it turned out, and yeah, I only plan on leaving these in for like a week, but I will probably do this style a few times over the summer. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the tutorial and what's not, please give this video a thumbs up. Maybe I'll try some different hairstyles on camera in this next week, just to kind of get the most out of this style. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any more videos from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.